Okay. This is baby number 3. It's December 28th, 2017. Bree's 12 weeks along, and we're going to find out with a private gender reveal here. Dad knows, Mom doesn't. And we have 2 boys that we're very happy to have, and we're very grateful, but a girl would be a nice addition to the family, and if not, Mama's gonna react how she reacts.
I don't like that.
That's all right. Hey, we're not gonna love anybody any less or more, so 1,
No, wait.
2.
No. Three boys. Holy heck. What do they say?
Oh, it says it's a girl. Are you excited? Tell me, what do you want it to be, a boy or girl?
It's a girl, not a boy. Girl, boy.
All right, so what happens if the balloons are blue? What does that mean?
It means we get a boy.
And if the balloons are pink?
I win.
You don't win.
All right, so somebody's gonna be happy and somebody's gonna be sad, but no matter what, we're gonna love our new baby, right, guys? All right.
You're gonna be the best big brothers ever.
1, 2, 3, go!
It's a girl. It's a girl.
Where are you going?
It's a boy.
Huh? You're sad.
Yeah, because it won't be a boy.
But it'll be a little girl. Just like Lainey. Don't you think that would be fun?
You said that 5 times.